In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove people from a Google Meet session efficiently and effectively. Whether you're managing a classroom, hosting a meeting, or simply need to maintain focus by reducing disruptions, sometimes it's necessary to remove participants. Let's dive into the process together so you can manage your virtual meetings with ease. To begin with, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Google Meet. You can do this by entering meet.google.com into your address bar and hitting enter. This will bring you to the main Google Meet landing page. Here, you'll find a simple and user-friendly interface that's specifically designed for ease of use. Next, to start a meeting, you'll click on the option labeled Start an Instant Meeting. This button is usually prominently displayed and designed to help you quickly initiate a session without any hassle. Starting an instant meeting doesn't just facilitate immediate virtual discussions, but also lets you directly jump into the task of managing your participants effectively. Once your meeting is set up and running, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll find various icons and controls, one of which will be the People icon. Clicking on this icon is your gateway to view a list of all the participants currently in the meeting. The People icon usually appears as two small silhouettes and is a key feature for managing participants. In the list of participants, scroll through to locate the individual you wish to remove. Keep in mind that this could be due to various reasons, perhaps someone accidentally joined, or there's a need to maintain a distraction-free environment. Once you've found the person you need to remove, the next steps are straightforward. Upon selecting or hovering over the person's name, additional options will become visible. Among these options, look for the feature that allows you to remove the participant from the meeting. This feature is designed to be intuitive so you can promptly make the necessary adjustments without disrupting the flow of the meeting. Clicking on this option will prompt a confirmation window to appear. This is a standard procedure to ensure the removal is intentional. Simply confirm your decision and the participant will be removed from your ongoing session. Remember, handling meeting participants is an essential part of maintaining a productive online environment. Being able to efficiently manage your Google Meet session not only makes you a more effective host, but also ensures that your meetings run smoothly. We've walked through the essential steps to remove someone from a Google Meet session, ensuring that you have full control over who participates in your meetings. With these skills, you can now manage your online gatherings with confidence and precision. Thank you for watching, and as always, don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Happy hosting.